Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Santa Barbara, Hotel Californian. So this was actually my 30th birthday trip. I am going to just show you the video, show you my experience, and this is a little intro a little bit further down the line. So this is in retrospect. Trust me, I wanted to start this YouTube channel a lot earlier, but it didn't happen. So go ahead and watch, and I'll see you after the video. I'm not even recording.
Thank you. Good travel.
It's pretty.
I'm so sorry.
There's me. It's a little check-in area. Okay, and then this is upstairs to go to some of the rooms, just the staircase. And then those are the elevators to the rooms. So let's grab our purse. Let's kind of walk around a little bit more because I kind of have to go to the bathroom too. All right. Okay, so when you turn to your left, I still haven't seen this whole room yet. Oh my gosh, love this. Ah. Okay, you got a closet, got a safe deposit box. Very cool. Ironing board, hangers. This is interesting. I'm not really sure what that is, but I like it. I guess if I brought like a, you know, a vase and flowers or something in with me, that's where I keep it. Okay, so what's this? Oh, this is to connect the rooms. Okay, cool. So this is the corner suite. Oh, there's a fly in here. Yeah, that won't do. Here's my stuff that was brought up here. Very cute. They put my tripod up for me, thank you. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Except I'm not a mister. That's okay. But this is sweet. This large TV. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Look who just knocked on the door.
Hello.
Hi.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
We can do to make you feel better.
Yeah, man, I got upgraded. Let me tell you.
I'm sorry about that. I have some for you and extra for my liver.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Dude. Okay, so Mr. Ezinneihenachormd. That's me. Dear Mr. Ezinneihenachormd, happy birthday from all of us at Hotel California. Oh my gosh, I thought it said cheers, guest Republican, but it's just, I like to read ahead. Cheers, guest reception. Okay. Dear Mr. Ezinneihenachormd, happy birthday from, at least I spelled my last name right. Happy birthday from all of us at Hotel Californian. Should you need anything, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you guys. Let's say Cortage, France. Cheers. Here's the bathroom. So pretty, right? Oh, I love this. Okay, let me finish this out because I want to take some more pictures in this room. Just in general. Because I really like my outfit. It's very cute. It's just neutral, cream, whatever. Here I am again. I'm in the bathroom. And I just kind of relaxed for like a second. But I'm getting ready to go out again because I really want a Manhattan. I really want a nightcap. I really wanted to be able to order that Manhattan nightcap in my room and sit by the fireplace and watch a movie for the last 2 hours of my birthday. But I can't because it's COVID era. And the best that they can do for me is bring me up like these little bottles like of shots, you know, like you get on the airplane, and then I can mix my drink myself. I'm not doing that because I'm not at home. I'm at a hotel. It's my birthday, and I don't want to mix my drink myself. I can help you.
Good morning.
Good morning. This looks good.
Where would you let me set up the table for you?
Just right here in the middle. Okay, so I have coffee here. They have oat milk, which I love. They brought almond milk as well. There's chicken and waffles over there. And then there's this salmon toast that I got yesterday that I just loved so much. So of course I got another one. And then
see mimosas, eggs, and that's my feast.
And just like that, I'm done. So that was Hotel Californian. I loved it. It was beautiful. It was one of the nicest hotels I'd ever stayed in. And I booked it through Chase Luxury Hotel Collection, where you can, like, if you book it through them, it's a little bit more expensive, maybe about like $50 to $70 per night. They give you a $100 credit to your account for food, but it's only for like a one-time thing. So if you stay for one night, you get like $100 back for food, right? You also get free breakfast the next day, which is for two, which is another $50. So that's $150. You get free early check-in, you get free late check-out. You get a welcome gift, which is like a bottle of champagne, which is what they did for me, especially since it was my birthday. And so you kind of get, you know, a little bit back. But in terms of cost, it was kind of expensive. For the young professional for one night, I'm probably going to give it a 4 out of 5. It was $800 a night. And I booked it about a month before. 4 out of 5. For customer service, they sent me a welcome letter and it said, "Dear Mr. Ezinneihenachormd." I wanted to take a bunch of photos, you know, for Instagram content, and also just to commemorate, you know, it's my 30th birthday, and they gave me kind of a hard time about it. They were like, "Oh, you know, you really should have talked this over with our PR person, and they don't really like for people of our hotel to be portrayed in the media," and blah, 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 blah. Honestly, it was nonsense. Maybe, you know, to contribute to the exclusivity of the place, but I don't think it's that exclusive. So for customer service, I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. Food, it's tricky because they didn't have their restaurants open. It was the middle of COVID. The only restaurant that was open was their breakfast restaurant, and it was just regular fare. So that's a non-applicable. Accommodations, 5 out of 5. Martin Lawrence Bullard, MLB, knocked it out of the park. I had a corner room, I had a fireplace, it was expansive. The bathroom, everything was gorgeous, and so that's a 5 out of 5. So thank you very much for coming to my channel. Hopefully that was educational and entertaining, and I hope you come back. See you later. Bye.